No! Look at this finger, it's all white, it's dead. I think I killed my pinky. I'm gonna try one of these, I don't know, World Cup style boulder. It's a jump, and Fredrik taught me how to jump yesterday, so we'll see how it goes now. Will you sign my paper?
Yes.
EKB. EKB.
Hey, I signed it.
Yay!
How is it going?
Not so good. Just it's the start of something fucking terrible. I've got some glue, so I'll just try and glue it up, I think. But I've still got quite a few to do. Yeah, we'll see. I've done a couple of hard ones that are quite tricky, so maybe that's enough. I don't know. I'll go glue and tape, I think. It stopped it bleeding, which is the main thing, but it's whether I can pull on any holes, that's the thing.
No? Not flexible enough. The British team is a bit more flexible than me.
Kom igen. Kom igen Lina. Tryck it.
Kom igen.
Another almost top.
Failed. That's what happened.
I think I will try this once, but like that skin, like the skin for tomorrow. I think like, look.
Baby skin. Why does my toe go away?
Nice, good hold. Come on, bro. Come on, it's good enough. Come on, Sasha. Go for it. It's good. What the heck?
Still slippery. Damn.
Yeah, those holes are pretty slippery.
Not satisfying. It really looks like I've done 20 plus boulders. It's starting to show off, you know. The grip is not as good as I thought it would be.
Another jump.
Nice.
It feels like it's gonna be hard to stop that swing. But...
Kom igen Linda.
Last go, best go.
Next!
Yeah, toe hook around the right hand side.
Is that 27? Go on. Alright, fine. A little.
Come on.
Come on, Michaela. Come on.
Woo! I didn't expect to do that one. Jesus.
I'm struggling here, Eric. I've tried to break it. I've not had a lot of sleep, and I can't remember a code. Right. You can't see this. There's a lot of specialised equipment in here.
5, 8, 8, Z, right.
It doesn't work.
What the hell are you doing? What's inside?
Oh, you can't see that.
Oh.
You can't.
You guys are so secret. Sorry.
I just wanted to like do it quick and then. No! I think we need to climb this after the competition is done.
Right, so it's 12 in the afternoon, and Fredrik's supposed to compete in 1 hour, but he still hasn't woken up, we think. So I'm gonna give him a quick call and just make sure that he's awake. Yeah, crisis averted. Yeah, he just wrote to me that he's on his way to the CWIF, so yeah, he's awake. That's good. Yeah, pretty well. So flashed all the boulders apart from one, which I just had one go on, and yeah, it's way too hard for me. So yeah, finished on 290, which I think is pretty good. It's like up there, maybe like the top 1 or 2 or 3. We'll see later.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's gone really well for me, you know. Like, I think the turning point was the jump. You know, I was really close to falling on that. But when you're really close to falling off, but you can reel something back in, it gives you like that little boost of confidence just to like go on and like do the rest of the boulders. So yeah. I mean, you got it on camera, so
yeah, I'm really happy.
That's the moment for my qualifiers, I think.
Cool.
But yeah, I really enjoyed it. Super fun.
How did it go, Stasa?
It went really, really well. I did 26 out of 30, and I think I didn't even try 3 of them because they look really male. So I'm gonna spare some energy. It's okay. Yeah, it's semifinals tomorrow. I actually don't know what time, but I'll find out during the day, I guess. But it's sad we couldn't climb together.
Yeah. In the future, though.
In the future. In 2 years.
Yeah, in 2 years. Hey, who is here?
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think he'll do all, maybe all except one. Pretty sure.
Alright, Fredrik, so we've been gone for an hour eating, and you've been climbing, so how is it going?
Yeah, it's going quite fine. I've been doing quite a lot of problems, I think, actually. But me and my climbing buddy for like this session kind of read the time quite a bit wrong. So I've been for the last like 10-15 minutes just like been climbing one problem per minute, just running. So
but you actually have like an hour and a half left.
yeah, we have 1 hour and like 15 minutes left. But then it's fine because then I have to do like 5 problems more in about 1 hour. So I think we're doing quite fine actually.
Nice.
So I have 23 problems out of 30. Yeah, and I think I can get up to like 27 maybe.
Nice.
So I'm gonna continue now.
So 24 now.
Yeah. 25.
How is it going, Louis?
I'm finished. I was all sad because I can't do maths and I counted my score wrong, and it was close. I thought I had maybe if I did the 2 hardest climbs I could get in. I didn't do the 2 hardest climbs. I dropped the dyno on the comp wall twice. Did the hard slabs, but they were on 3rd go, and otherwise flash everything else. But I don't know if it's enough, so we'll see. Might be okay. Thank you. It's nice to see you, man.
Yeah, likewise. Yeah.
Boom. That's 27.
You should go like this if it's a video. Then I know.
How did this brush end up here?
Whoa!
I just.
All right, so Fredrik's done 27 now.
How many have you done?
I did 35.
But they're only
I did 27 of them, but not as flashes.
You know, my cousin did all flashes. That's strong.
He's quite good, Matt.
Yeah, that Matt is strong.
Yeah, he's decent.
Are we doing a video? What are we doing?
Yeah, I think so. Emil is the director now.
I'm the creative director now.
You're asking too much. Do I owe you money?
Pro bono.
Woo! Damn. Come on. Yeah, that's 28. Hey Fredrik, you still think you're not going to semi?
Now I think I might be in semi.
You think you're okay now?
I think I'm okay now. Oh, I've taken the last one, then like my heart's beating really hard. Oh, that felt really good. This is the last try I'm allowed to do in this competition. So I've used all my tries. So just because I have one more try I can do, I'll do it. I don't know if I can do the problem at all, but I'm gonna try.
Kom igen Fred. Ja, kom igen! Ja, kom igen nu! Yes.
Well, it was a good last try still. My boobs still. I'm really impressed.
Eric, any thoughts?
Well, I never heard Fredrik try so hard that it sounds like he's nearly about to puke. So that's the first. I'm really happy. And I got it on another tape as well. And I'm very proud of him. 28. Semifinals tomorrow. Maybe. Who thinks? I'm not going to change it. I guess that's the end of this video. But in a couple hours it's going to be like a super, how to say it, super special kind of event. People are going to run around in boxing gloves, dresses, costumes, hulks, and climb on ridiculous climbs. So we're going to film that as well. So that'll be the next vlog. But peace out from CWIF.
Bye.
Alright, bye people.